Some of them will support but they said they can't use. Okay, want me try? You want me try the white one? No, man.
Mr. Director, who is this?
This is Myrna. Myrna Goodall.
In the household there in the hut. I expect me to cock up in there for the whole time.
This is Patsy's mother.
Oh my God.
Watch your mouth, you know. Watch your mouth.
Hold on there. Different. Different. I want to go.
I don't know.
So just pop up by yourself.
It's a culture shock. It's most of them Melissa.
So
I come like him all carry the basket and them front, the whole basket in front, don't get up here. None never bite me go from Mildred. Can she come up here?
tell us what one. The man I call her Mildred.
That means there's something there. Remember say Patsy say it, you know. Patsy say, mine you still have like a thing from my mother, you know. So it look like a true.
Man says you come down here with the whole of mosquito.
Come here, little Myrna. Myrna come.
No man, I'm a rusher for real, man.
Myrna, you know, say look like you carry the basket and go far. You go over there, so none now bite me, no. I bet you didn't get washed down St. Thomas Park. Everything to your comfort. See you?
Hello, young man. Young man.
So what? Yeah. So what happened? Alright. The vehicle for the move on over there. Yeah? So you're here talking, and when you look, him compete right at the corner of the sun. So seriously saying in people around here go, hello, young man. You realize it. When you meet one time already, you know. So you realize that people compete to say for you.
Hello, young man.
Next section.
How is your milk bread? You not happy?
No. You see that Mildred something there, why you saw that thing. So how you are your Mildred?
So how you are your Mildred?
Left that part there alone. It will serve you right.
Alright.
Alright. So we don't know. What one? Fever.
And we're not going down in the place.
Oh, definitely you're going there so you can see.
Time with me, man. And young as me used to be, you know. No, man, you go first. Hey, so wait for me now.
Lemon thief! Lemon thief! People, that thief lemon. My boss.
I'm a boss for it.
John, hold this there. You see him, hold this there.
Ito ba makain na yung
Go up on the wall.
This can't go further now. This can't go further.
Yeah, man. Catch up there. And this one. Catch up there.
Hello, man, I'm carrying so far.
Sean, just come catch with me, man. Come, already.
You took a quick offer already?
Come, man. Boom. Boom. Way back, way back.
Hello, so when they do that, you got to do that.
One more test for Chantal.
That's my head.
Here, the one that right there.
I already can't go that but something.
What? Yeah, man, when people can't get nowhere.
It's a bag I pick this morning.
So, you say when people can't get nowhere?
See, sure.
Alright, I'll go across. I'll go
So when the this started?
I get by the weekend I get week I come, them I get bigger.
Ready?
Yeah, yeah. Let's pick and drop. Oh, big enough.
So I'm going to put down over there.
You want a big one?
I'm going to designate the kitchen.
Over here, is it this one?
See the pattern?
And then supposed bigger than that, you know.
Yeah.
Below. That's why I miss. You don't pick up that. I mean, tell him drop, so
Oh, boy.
Jump.
drop right on me.
We'll go see.
What was the one in front of you? Directly in front of you.
This one, them man put no water for